What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we're in Betty White. Alright guys, today we're going to crack off into the S209. Time to void the warranty. Guys, we got all the Cobb fuel lines, the pairing pitch stop, and I think this is like the firewall brace from pairing. Upgraded clutch line. High volume fuel pump, pressure sensor, flex fuel kit, top feed fuel rails. Today we're going to focus on mainly getting the Killer B oil pan in.
Give 'em God, give 'em lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a sham. Keys are Khaled, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody love.
IAG. AEOS. Alright guys, here's some more parts. Here's the ETS header. Got the pipe already off.
Give 'em God, give 'em lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a sham. Keys are Khaled, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody.
Some groom speed parts. Stock versus the pairing.
Give 'em God, give them lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a sham. Keys are Khaled, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody love, who gon' hold it down? And that's how we do on the mainland. Counting all them problems, got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci, Balenciaga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do.
Alright guys, Tommy's out tuning a car. Showing you a little update on this S209. Got the Killer Bee oil pan here. Just letting the RTV set up a little bit before we stuff it on there. And then over here, we got the windage tray and pickup on there. All the RTV all cleaned off. And after we get this pan back on there, we'll go ahead and get that header swapped out for the new tubular setup. Don't forget your O-rings on the dipstick over there. Killer Bee has some special ones they send with the kit. But yeah, we'll make sure to get the drain plugs in there, and we'll just keep on going. See you later.
Give them God, give them lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a sham. Keys are Khaled, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody love, who gon' hold it down? And that's how we do on the mainland. Counting all them problems, got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci, Balenciaga, and some face tags. Addicted to the drip until it's dripping down the drain. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do. Yeah. That's just how I do.
Alright guys, this is where we got on this. Adrian has the boost controller installed, the cob lines installed, a few other parts installed that we're not going to name. Little blue thing down there. If you know, you know. We're at a stopping point for the day. It's the end of the day, so we'll have to wrap this project up tomorrow. We got Jennifer's multi-sticker race car in, another clutch in it. The clutches are hard to come by now, so we're going to try a Tennessee clutch out, see how it goes, but you can definitely tell she races it. So this thing does rally, drag, NCM, road courses, everything. But we're going to try to get another clutch in it. This is the process we got at the end of the day after we wrapped up another 2015 WRX motor. Alright guys, thank y'all for dropping in today, checking out the S209 build progress and what we got going on in the shop. If you like this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because you want to see this thing finished. We're going E85 too. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
Give them God, give them lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face? New decisions, it's a sham. Keys are Khaled, killer cam. Show me visions, show me fam. Ain't nobody love, who gon' hold it down? And that's how we do on the mainland. Counting all them problems got me feeling like I'm Rain Man. Cover up with Gucci.